Can you box? Oh, come on, man. Come on, man. Put your dukes up.
Go wrestle him. Show him your muscles.
Can you put your dukes up?
Don't be scared.
I'm just playing. I'm not going to box you. I'm just playing with you.
What's that, Mom? Dad, scratch that card out. I want to see you scratch the card.
Grandpa, scratch it or give it to me. I'll scratch it for you.
No, let him do it.
Come on, Grandpa.
Ooh, look at all that food. That's all homemade.
Oh, what?
By that woman made right there.
Who's playing? The Cowboys and who?
I don't follow football.
What's Dad doing?
Oh, yeah, you know the Cowboys are playing. Dallas there.
See, somebody ready. Who playing that? Huh? Who playing that?
Cowboys and the Redskins.
Oh, that was...
Who he?
Christina.
Redskins.
Watching Redskins.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh, watch. It's a great one.
Y'all tried to get that game away the other day, didn't they?
Yep. Just like they're doing now.
Give him away. Oh.
You recording?
Yeah, I want to see everybody.
Left.
My memory. You don't have to. Hi, Grandma. Love you, Grandma. I love you more, Grandma. I like your shirt. It's cute. Thank you.
Oh, Grandma's back good.
Where's your back hurt, Grandma?
There's all the time.
Don't that good? Don't spill that. Better hold that right. That good? You don't want that? You don't have to eat it. You want more macaroni and cheese? You full? Huh?
Yeah.
How full are you?
Huh?
Huh?
You food. I'm in the way.
Grandma's food's good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it. I love my macaroni and cheese. Yeah, not too hot.
No.
That heavy old jacket on. You're not hot?
You talked to Frank yet?
You better go in there and get that heat.
I talked to